This video will show you how to use CONSELF Tool Points to STL. First thing to do is to log in into CONSELF Cloud Simulation Platform. To do so, click on the Login button in the top panel or Start your cloud simulation in your My Account page. To access CONSELF Tools, go in the side panel on Tools. On this page, you will have all available tools accessible through this menu here. And as you can see here, you have 3 different tools, and today we are going to see Points to STL. Then you have to upload your input file. That should be, as you can see from this table here, an off file or a comma separated value. The input file will contain your point cloud that describe your surface. So I'm going to use a comma separated value for my points. Then you have to select 3 parameters: neighbors, samples, and iteration. In order to find out how to set up these parameters, if you want to change the default values that are okay for a wide set of different problems, you can refer to our blog post From Point Cloud to STL Triangulated Surface. In the second paragraph, you see the description of the 3 parameters. As you can see, the neighbor's value should be increased in case of very low point density zones, and decreased if one wants to better reconstruct thin features of the object. The number of samples is related to how regularly the points cover the object. 200 samples is a good default choice. Finally, the number of iteration can be always used as 4 in general, so it is a good default starting value. So before the start, I'm going to show you how the starting file looks like. As you can see here, we have our point cloud describing our surface. This is my input, and then I will obtain a triangulation of this point cloud. So going back on our simulation platform, let's click on Submit to start the calculation. Once the calculation has been completed, you see here you have a visualization of the resulting surface describing your point cloud. You can now download this file, and in the zip file you obtain there is your STL. You can extract it, for example in my documents, and then I can show you how this file approximates my point cloud. I can open it here, and as you can see, it exactly approximates my point cloud. I can also open it in this other window to have a parallel visualization between the 2 different descriptions, the point cloud and the STL. So this is how to use CONSELF Tools Points to STL.